time we face all our fear layer with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. Please listen. This whole program is literally helping you to think in new way, feel in new way, perceive in new way, experience in new way. Transformation happens only when you think in new way, experience in new way, perceive in new way. Now, first step. Morning you wrote all the lack of integrity with you. Am I right? Sit with yourself and complete. Complete means tell yourself, I was giving this commitment to me, commitment of becoming doctor. Now I decided, if you are going to honor it, you can reinstate. Now I am going to become doctor. I commit with me consciously. If you are not honored, or now it is no time to honor. You can't think of becoming doctor when you are 87. When it is already no more possible in your life, if it is not going to happen, then sit with you and complete. I gave the commitment to myself that I will become a doctor. Now I have decided I neither completed nor I will be able to complete, so I am dropping that commitment. All the confusions happened because of that commitment. I am responsible, now I am completing it. Please listen. The words you utter to you are very important. One of the greatest master, Bodhidharma, he lived in China but born and brought up in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. The important teaching is, just by the word you utter, it will change the form of the muscle. Please listen. Just by the power of the word, you can change the form of your muscle. You can build muscle or lose muscle just by the word you utter to you. In their monasteries, they teach martial arts. The sound is important component of martial arts. How many of you know? Just by sound, they will frighten the other person. The other person's stomach will collapse. He will shiver and lose the whole fight. The sound you utter to you, the words you utter to you are very important. The declarations you give it to you and to others build your life whether you want it or not. The declarations you give it to you and to others. ध्यान से सुनिए. The declarations you give it to you and to others forms your life. That creates your life. So now sit and complete. With each desire you wrote, read and tell yourself, I am completing and dropping it. Please sit straight. You don't need to close your eyes because you need to read. Sit straight. Sit in a deep meditative mood. Talk to yourself. Reading each commitment you gave it to you, loudly complete with you. Don't bother others are listening. You are talking to you. Listen only to your words. Don't try to listen what the others are completing. please complete with you and bring integrity with you. Only then we can proceed in any process or meditation. This is the first step. We will start the process then next. We will look into all the fears, inauthenticity you carry with you. Please listen. We will look into all the fears and source of the fears, the inauthenticities you carry with you. All fears stem from the fear of death itself. Facing death consciously even once. Facing death consciously even once will help you to dissolve all the fears. You are not going to die now, but you are going to face the psychological death. You are going to face death psychologically. Whatever you think may happen with your fears, face everything. Face everything. When you face, many things will happen. One, you will find out many of your lack of integrity only allows fears to happen. Your negative commitments only allow the fears to happen. That you will find out. So you will be able to drop the negative commitments. Second, this is the very important thing. Many times your fears may not have that much of power over you. You will just face and come to terms with it. Alright, what is there? Come on, let's face. It will just lose its power over you. So many things will happen. What all will happen even I don't know. But one thing I will give you as assurance, commitment, you will be out of fear once for all. Listen, when you get into your fear layer, one by one handle them with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. Internalize, is this fear exists because of my lack of integrity or inauthenticity or irresponsibility or because I don't enrich myself, I don't enrich others with life. Sometime when you cheat others, deprive others, you will have a fear. They will find out. Why this fear? Look with these 4 principles. I tell you. Anything may happen. You may find out the lack of integrity in the fear means negative commitments you are giving to you. You may find out the inauthenticity of that fear. You may find out your irresponsibility in that fear. You may find out your lack of enriching in that fear. The moment you find out, that's enough, it will be dissolved. Nothing much is required. You just find out, that's enough, it will disappear. You will see, when you find out, you move to the next. I will guide you step by step. Only one commitment I want from you. You will not avoid any fear. You will not say, this fear I won't look in. See, the fear of losing my family people or my dear and dear ones, that one I cannot tolerate. I will not think about it. I will not look into it. You will not do any of that. That is inauthenticity. If you hide something from me, from you, I cannot help you. Clear? You will not do hiding anything from facing. You are not going to tell me. You are only going to face inside you. Only whatever you face, I can remove. Whatever you hide, even I cannot remove from your inner space. So you will not hide anything from you facing it. Then I'll guide you step by step. Work on each sphere. Finally, I'll guide you into the death itself. You are not going to die physically, but you are going to face the death psychologically. What your mind will go through by a death, you will go through now. It's literally like a rebooting. If there is a problem in the computer, how you switch it off and reboot. It's exactly that. Rebooting of your mind and body. Clear?